Hey guys, what's up? It's Abby. So today I'm going to be doing something that I've really had to do for a really long time. That's a lot of reallys. But I've needed to do this for a really long time and I'm finally sitting down and doing it. I also realize I'm wearing like, my hair is up, I'm in pajamas again, but like I'm comfortable and all that, and I didn't want to put makeup on because my skin, I had an allergic reaction to some sunscreen. So I didn't want to put anything on my skin that was going to irritate my skin even more than it already is irritated. So today I'm going to be washing my makeup brushes. I have, ugh, dog hair in my mouth. I have so many makeup brushes. I never clean them, like ever. And they're really bad. So I don't know if anybody owns a dog and like, so if you own a dog, and you like touch the fur like under by their ears, you know how greasy that is? That's my foundation brush currently. It is so bad that I need to clean them. I got some stuff to help me along in this process. Okay, I've got even more brushes up here. I bought a few things to hopefully help me with this. First off, I need another cup for all my brushes because they don't all fit anymore. I need another one of those cups. Oh, all of my cups are from the Dollar Tree because I'm cheap and also very broke. I have college tuition that I paid for. Well, I have student loans, so anyways, Dollar Tree. So I got those. I got those, and then I also bought from Amazon this little scrubber pad thing that you suction cup onto your sink, and it's supposed to help with like getting all of the stuff out of the brushes. So I bought that. This was probably like $5 on Amazon. It also came with like another one as well. I bought that, and I have this Ulta makeup and sponge cleaner, but I don't think this worked very well last time I used it. I don't remember. I got that, and then Dawn. And my family only buys like the extreme refills, so I got this one. It was this, or I also had, there was another thing of Dawn that was totally full that scared me to grab, so I grabbed that one. And I also got a cupcake because I might need a snack. And also I'm testing out frosting. You guys will see that video later. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move to my bathroom and start cleaning these brushes because this is probably gonna take me like forever. Okay, this is a before shot of my brushes. Look how dirty they are. This is like a blush brush, foundation brush, like eyeshadow brushes. Like, this is crispy. I don't even know. That's gross. Like, everything's just so gross and dirty that, yeah. But this is these are the before brushes. Hello. So I have my phone camera going because I didn't want to bring my camera in here because it made me nervous with the water. So I'm gonna try the Ulta brush cleaners first. No, that's not working. Okay, so I just tried using if you guys could see in the last clip, I tried using the Ulta cleaner and it really didn't work for me. It kind of didn't do anything. So I'm going to use the Dawn. Oh my gosh, look how clean it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, next brush. We'll do this foundation brush. This is the Luxie Round Tip Blender brush. Okay, I'm kind of blown away by how clean these look. It didn't take me very long to do both of these. Ugh, dropping things. But look how clean! Oh my god, fantastic. Okay, this is probably like the crappiest angle on the planet and what is going on with my hair. But I'm about halfway through my brushes. I did all my face brushes except for my foundation ones because I thought that would be like kind of satisfying to watch. So I did all of them except for them, but they look, oh my gosh, so much cleaner. Let me show you guys. Ah, look at how clean they are. This mat, I honestly haven't been following, like, what does this say? Like, I don't know, but they have like little words on them, like wash eyes. I just been kind of scrubbing them all over. But, oh, this is my phone charger. That's probably not safe. But they look so much cleaner, and it is so much faster using this thing. Yeah, normally this takes me forever to do, which is the reason I don't do it often. I don't do it enough, is because it takes so long. But yeah, but I'm gonna wash my 2 foundation brushes and kind of show you guys that. I have my phone over here because, hang on, because I want to have a second angle. Let's see if I can get it to stay up. Okay, I had to move my mat up a little bit. I hadn't been this high, but because I want to actually show you guys this, it's a little higher. So these are my 2 foundation brushes. One is a Real Techniques one, and the other is, I think, a Crown brush, but they're so dirty. Oh god, they even like feel oily. It's so gross. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Dawn on each, and then we're gonna scrub. Oh, look how gross that is. Okay, I'm gonna put some more on it. This is so bad. Okay, I'm gonna go out of frame for a minute. Okay, this is going to be the 3rd time putting soap on this brush. It is so bad. Oh. Okay, I think after all that scrubbing, it's finally clean. One more foundation brush to go. Foundation brushes are clean. Eye brushes, I'm coming for you. All right, let's do this. Hey guys, okay, so, all right, I am finished washing my brushes. I can take my hair down. Okay, so some thoughts. First off, this Ulta brush cleaner thing does not work, like, at all. It like didn't soap up or anything. The only thing that was nice was the smell. It smells like tea tree oil, but it didn't do anything. So that was a flop. The Dawn works well though. This thing, I think it made my brushes, like, the cleaning process faster. I'm really not sure though, but I think it did. I think. And final reveal. Oh wait, where's my cupcake? I've only taken like 1 bite out of my cupcake this whole time. No, so no. My brushes, I have them. Wrapped up in a towel, and I have to dry them, but I have like a little towel thing that I use. Okay, the grand reveal. Look how clean it is. Oh my gosh, these brushes are so freaking clean. I don't know if they've ever been this clean. So that's my foundation brush. My blush brush is still like, has a slight tint of pink to it, but this brush is pretty old. It's a Real Techniques brush, and it's just stained at this point, but still so much cleaner. This is my other foundation brush. So clean. They like don't feel like the inside of the dog's ears anymore, which is good. I think I'm quite happy with how my brushes look. So that's my dog drinking water. So happy with how clean my brushes are. They look so good. Finally are not like disgustingly dirty and smelling, and as I said, feeling like the inside of a dog's ear. So really happy with that. I'm gonna show you guys like a quick shot of what my brushes all look like. that is it for today's video. This was kind of random and weird, but I hope you guys liked it, even though it was random and weird and maybe a little boring, anticlimactic. I don't know. But no matter what, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!